N from Shimoga, Karnataka. I graduated from Sir M. Vishweshwaraya Institute of Technology, Bangalore in the year of 2023 from EEE branch. My aim is to get into good core embedded companies. So I was searching for good embedded institute in Bangalore. So then I got to know about IIES Institute, joined for 6 months embedded system design and development course at IIES Institute. We are tied up into experienced faculties. They guided me from scratch with different modules of electronics and programming like basic electronics, microcontroller, AM7, embedded C and DSA and C++. The placement team is very much supportive and have thrown lump sum opportunities. We are also got trained on soft skills, aptitude and resume building, etc. With the continuous support of the placement team, I cleared interview in Tata Technology with package of 4.5 LPA in my 5th month of my course. I thank all IIS staff for supporting me in every step and made me to start my career in core company.